2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power passenger seat, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, lane departure warning, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.